Is your Xbox app stuck on update or not updating at all? Here's a quick, easy guide to fix it step by step on your PC. Let's get right into it. Check Windows Update. Make sure your Windows itself is not the problem. Click on the Start menu, Sort Settings. On the left, hit Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Install anything pending. Sometimes an outdated OS messes with the Xbox app. Repair and reset the Xbox app. Back in Settings, click Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Xbox, click the three dots, then Advanced Options. Scroll to reset. First hit Repair, wait a second, then hit Reset too. Try launching the app again. Sometimes this alone does the trick. Uninstall and reinstall. Click on three dots for the Xbox, then select the option Uninstall. Once it has been installed, open Microsoft Store, search for Xbox, and then download it. Once installed, click Downloads and Updates, then Get Updates. Next, check your time zone. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the option Time and Language, click on Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both on. Click Sync Now too. PowerShell Fix. For that, click Start, search for PowerShell, click on the option Run as Administrator. Now here you'll need to type in this first command prompt, then type in this second command prompt, hit enter for each. This reinstalls gaming services which the Xbox app depends on. So these are some fixes for your issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.